anymore. It's been a month and I still haven't found a single store that sells semi-permanent hair dyes. I went to multiple hair salons who I know have semi-permanent hair dye to ask them if I could just like buy a bottle from them, but they all said no. So I've come to the point where I'm just gonna dye my hair with box hair dye. I know it's so bad. It's literally so bad. I know, no. I really did not want to do this. But like, look at my hair. Look at my hair. What is this? I am basically blonde right now. And I don't want to be blonde. Blonde is making me feel uncomfortable. Also, it's still like pink at some point. And it's also turning green and blue because of swimming in pools. So yeah, it's just not, I'm really not feeling like myself. I need to have hair dye in my hair. I need to have a color. So I just went to a beauty store and I bought hair dye. Oh god. Ta-da! Also, yeah, I'm going for red today. Nice and guys. So yeah, I got like these packs of hair dye. I've got a bunch of different ones, but they're all like reds. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna mix them and like see what's gonna look like. I got these. It's called Miranda hair color. Then I got Kenny hair dye cream, and I got Salsa Pro color sensation. Oh my god. So basically what I did in order to protect myself is I bought like the cheapest hair dye that I could find, because in my mind I feel like the cheapest hair dyes are probably like bad quality and they probably gonna rinse out of your hair faster, right? I don't know if it's true, but that's my thought process. 7 packs of hair dye for less than 6 euros. That's crazy. Oh my god. This is so bad. This is so bad. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Also, just look how crazy my hair color looks. Look at this. This is one strand of hair. These are 7 different colors. What's going on? What's going on over here? Hey! Sorry if you hear like background noises, but they're like a bunch of other people living here and they're like chilling by the pool and yeah, they're talking. So I'm sorry if you can hear them. Nothing I can do about it. I'm sorry. Anyways, I did something smart this time, and that is I bought an actual plastic container where I can put my hair dye in. Because if you see like the last hair dyeing video I posted, I literally had to put the hair dye in Shin ramen noodle cups because I didn't have anything else. So went to the store, bought a container. For the hair, let me zoom you guys in a little bit. For the hair, I want to do it a little bit spicy because obviously I've already done like basically every hair color in the universe right now. So doing like a full color on my hair just doesn't hit the spot anymore. So I want to try to do like, to make it a little bit more interesting. I want to do, I think, like a section over here, like this. I think I want to keep this blonde. And then also get like a section from underneath here. Like that. And then keep that blonde too. Right? I feel like that could be very nice and cute. So let's just do that. Let's section off my hair. Do I have hair clips though? That is the question. Let me look for some hair clips. Also, I don't really have a mirror. I mean, I guess I have one over there, but that one is kind of like in a weird position, so I can't really use it. So I gotta use the viewfinder to do my hair. Oh god, this is a lot different than my hair salon at home. God damn it. Okay, we gotta section the hair off. Let me first comb it through, because as you can see, my hair is looking pretty rough. It's not in the best condition right now. Oh my god. Yeah, Bali is definitely not good for my hair at all. My hair is pretty dirty right now, and normally like when you dye your hair has to be clean, but I'm actually keeping it dirty on purpose so that hopefully it's gonna like wash out quicker. It's kind of crazy how every time I dye my hair, the most important part of it is like how quickly it can wash out again. Maybe I should just enjoy the moment, you know, instead of thinking about the next step. I'm not gonna bleach my roots today because I'm just gonna give my hair a little break because she deserves it. Poor hair, she's been through a lot. But yeah, let's find the first section first. This is very difficult with no mirror, but okay. Hey. I think it's actually a pretty good section. It's into a little braid, so it gets out of the way. I'm sitting in front of a window, and this window literally faces like a restaurant. And there's so many people there looking at me right now, which is luckily not awkward at all. Damn! That's a cute little braid. Gorgeous. Gorgina. The fact that I don't have a mirror is gonna make it so much more difficult. Ah. Should I try and see if I can take that off the wall? Or am I gonna drop it? Wait, let me just try it, okay. Oh shit, oh shit. Nothing going on over here. Should have probably made the bed, but okay. I can see myself in the mirror now. And you guys can see what I'm doing. And I guess that's all that matters. For the hair dye, like I said, I got a bunch of them. I've used one of these packages before and there's like almost nothing in there. So I thought, let me just like buy literally everything they have and then hope that's gonna be enough for my hair. Oh god, this is gonna go so bad. I can't argue. This is literally the worst thing I've done to my hair probably. Let me mix it up a little bit. I mean, I know it's only like half of it, but this is definitely not gonna be enough for me. I wanted to add some of a different brand, but this packaging just looks scary to me. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I'm not gonna put it on my hair. I'm sorry, I'm just not. That makes me so scared. That makes me scared for my life. Let's just add some conditioner to this. Is that bad? Can you mix conditioner with permanent hair dyes? I don't know. I'm just gonna do it. Don't tell anybody I did this, okay? We're gonna keep this to ourselves. Oh, look. It's already turning red. Oh my god. That's a pretty color though. I like it. Okay, I think I have enough now. I might have like ruined the hair dye now, but it's like 50% conditioner and 50% hair dye. And I'm just gonna put it on my hair. I'm literally so scared, but I gotta do it because I'm pretty sure it's like time sensitive as well. Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh, it just makes my hair pink now. Again. Damn, that's crazy. That's like pink. That's not red. Also, I feel like I fucked up my middle part like real bad. Like real bad. Isn't this supposed to go that way? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, I feel like I put like way too much conditioner in there and it's just gonna turn pink now instead of red. Oh no. Damn, I definitely have like... I definitely have enough hair dye. I didn't even use half of the thing. Why was I so scared of that? What the fuck? I have way more than enough. I literally covered all my hair already. Wait, did I?
Ja, wel. Oh, ja.
I feel like it's not very red, is it? Or maybe it's just... Maybe it just needs some time to process, I don't know. It's turning red now. That's crazy. Oh, yo. Yeah, it's very red and I feel like everything is covered, right? Also my hands, weirdly enough, they calm my nerves down a little bit. Because honestly, like when I dye my hair with semi-permanent hair dye, they are like way more stained than this. And it looks like they're not really that stained. I feel like I can get this off pretty easily. Hopefully. Which, yeah, is a good sign. Let me just check my hair in the bathroom real quick. See if I need to add some extra. But I think we're like done. Right? Okay, so I checked the back of my hair in the mirror and honestly it looked fine. And as you can see, it's definitely turning red right now. I don't know if you can see like that. Can you see that? I don't know. It's definitely doing something. And so far, I'm actually pretty excited. I'm still slightly worried that I'm not gonna get this color out of my hair. But at the same time, I do feel like the color looks very pretty. So I guess that makes up for it. I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for about like 15 or 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse it out and I'm gonna try to not get the other pieces. Oh, oh no. Oopsie. Okay, I'm gonna try to get not more of the pieces dyed, the blonde part. And then you can see the end result. Also, yeah, the middle. I'm such a dumbass. I didn't really focus on the middle section and now it's like off to this side. Am I stupid? Yes, a little bit. It's okay though. It's okay. Hey! Oh my god, my voice keeps getting worse by the second. I swear to god, this air conditioning is not made for me. Anyways, my hair is done. Ooh. Cute. As you guys know, I kind of did this section wrong, which is honestly very annoying because now this isn't like in the center. I have to like move it around like this a little bit. Which is so annoying. But yeah, the red turned out really pretty. It is more on like the natural side compared to what I normally do with my hair. But I like it. Also, let me just take these buns out because you can barely see what I do with my hair. Oh. Oh my god, my hair is so long.
Here. In Aden.
Honestly, I think it's a vibe. I actually really like it. The red hair dye, it did kind of bleed into the blonde part, which is very annoying because this used to be way lighter. But maybe if I just like shampoo it a couple of times, like the blonde part, it gets lighter again. Because honestly, I do feel like, luckily, that this color is gonna rinse out. Because like I washed it once and the amount of hair dye that came out of my hair was kind of insane. So that's a good sign. Also, my hands aren't really that stained. So I guess I've got a feeling that it should be fine and that it's just gonna wash out completely at one point. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take, but I feel like I did not ruin my hair. At least I hope I didn't. Imagine if this is like the end of my hair dyeing saga. Imagine if this is the last video. I don't think so though. But yeah, look, it's so cute. And my hair still feels, I mean, relatively healthy because obviously my hair is like deep fried, but I don't think that the box hair dye like messed my hair up. I think it's fine. Honestly, I think it's fine, and I feel like box hair dye might actually not be as bad as people say it is. But maybe it is. Anyways, thank you for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao. Kiss kiss, bye, ciao.